Hey guys, so today we are going to be working on Halloween decorations. We have over here just some black trash cans that we are spray painting neon yellow. And what's the goal?
Well, we're looking for something that looks like giant containers of bubbling chemical goo stuff. And we picked up both of these buckets for $14 a piece at Home Depot. And now we're just trying to make it look more not so trash canny.
So why don't you hang out with us? We'll speed up the camera and you can see the progression of how we make biohazard material waste drum cans. And yes, we are aware that our grass is going to get lots of paint on it. It's not the first year we've had a lot of paint on our yard for Halloween. Here we have one totally finished can and another finished can. Now it's time for the next stage. So now we're going to take these cardboard pieces and we're going to make circle inserts that are going to go inside the drums. What that's going to do is make a base so we can add in our bubbles. All right. Hey, recruit.
What?
Why don't you come hold the camera for me?
All right.
Now, if you're gonna be doing something like this in your own house, for your own yard, don't let kids use knives like this. Safety first. Alright, so I have this one started. As you see, there's a little circle cut out here. I'm going to cut that out, tape it, secure it into the drum, and we'll see you guys back in a bit. Alright, LT, what do we got going?
Well, so what we got to do is we got to cut this to where it fits on the inside, so that we don't have to fill this whole thing with foam.
How much foam would that take?
How expensive it is, more than what I want to spend. Because the key about making Halloween awesome is by doing it cheap. Because Halloween is the only holiday that you could go on a real cheap budget. You can't do it with Christmas, because even lights are $10 for a string of 10. So Halloween is the only year where you're really able to do things on a real inexpensive budget and make it look good. So,
Like neon yellow trash cans
yeah,
with
it'll
duct taped cardboard, huh?
It will look dang good.
Oh, it's gonna look awesome.
Yeah, when there's when the lights are down and the actors are on. It'll look good.
If you guys live in northern Colorado, maybe you guys should come take a look.
Okay.
See how it looks?
Wait. That'll work. Doesn't need to look pretty right now. All it has to do is just look awesome when it's done.
Fantastic job. All right. I'm ready to go start on disc number 2.
Okay. All right.
So here we have our completed drums with inserts. Now it's time for the artistic side.
Okay.
Double, double, toil and trouble.
Yeah. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to use expanding foam. Spray it on there, let it set up, and then that should give us the look that we're wanting. It should. I'm really hopeful. And it should kind of take on an organic kind of look.
So how are you going to make it look like it's cascading down?
Well, once this kind of dries, and I think we'll lay it down on its side, and then we'll use some more to kind of paint on it, almost,
Okay.
so that it sits.
Can you give me some?
Because otherwise, I think it'll end up. I think it will just end up having big blobs falling off.
All right.
We'll give her a shot though.
See what we can do. Now that we have our barrels all full of set foam, I think this yellow looks a little too clean. I'm going to take some green and some black spray paint, and I'm going to add a little bit of tarnishing. If you get dark spots like that, just looks kind of like rust. Just go with it. So here we have our nearly finished toxic waste drums. It's pretty wild.
Yeah, no, it turned out nice.
Imagine this at night with strobes.
By the way, Dad,
To be continued.
Dad, you can only touch the.
Hey guys, so it's day 2 for the barrels, and yeah, heads. It looks awesome. So come with me. You guys are gonna see the finished touch. We added a little extra of the expanding foam and some more paint. And now, this is what we got. They look like they are vats full of just
Radioactive gook.
good job, LT.
You too. Good job, baby.
Happy hunting. Bye. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get all of our latest videos. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and all of that crazy stuff. All the links are down below. If there's something you guys want to see us make for Halloween or something you think that would look good in our zombie post-apocalypse type world, then comment down below. And if you guys like Halloween, be sure to definitely hit that thumbs up because, as you can tell, it's our favorite holiday. As always, have a great rest of your day and we'll see you later. Signing out. Bye!